Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by lifting the car and securing it on stands, then remove the wheel so you can access the tie rods. You'll use penetrating oil on lock nuts and clamps to loosen corrosion because forced damage causes leaks later. Next, inspect and mark the boot and count turns or measure length from the tie rod end to the inner joint. This preserves toe alignment. Once done, loosen the outer tie rod end, nut slightly so you can turn the rod while still supported. Now you separate the outer tie rod from the knuckle. Use a puller to avoid strike damage. If you tap the knuckle, support the hub so suspension components don't shift. Then move to the inner tie rod. Use the correct inner rod tool and hold the rack steady so you don't twist the steering rack or tear the boot. Remove retainers and unscrew the inner rod, then extract the assembly. Compare new inner and outer pieces to originals. Matching thread pitch and length prevents misassembly and excessive toe error. Install the new inner tie rod, using thread sealant if specified, then torque the rod to the factory value and clamp the boot securely so no dirt enters the rack. Once secured, thread the outer tie rod onto the inner to the previously marked position to preserve toe. Tighten the jam nut and torque both nuts to spec so nothing backs off. After reassembly, lower the car and perform a slow test drive checking steering feel. If there's wandering or uneven tire wear, recheck.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.